So we chose Cribs Foundation. Ever since talaga malapit na sa puso ko mga bata, and as much as I can, either the smallest or the biggest gesture, I would like to